Well, today, per request by my buddy Mitchell, we're going to do a pulled beef sandwich. We're going to call it the Messy MOJO. Now, the plan was to have this Messy MOJO in the intro. But once we sliced it, it was so darn good, we ate it all. It's that good. Seriously. You got to try it. It's awesome. Alrighty then. Let's get to cooking.
Run down to your local Walmarts and pick you up one of these about 2.5 pound chuck roast. Now why Walmarts? Because that's about all I got. And I ain't scared to cook cheap meat. You can see, I even buy the reduced stuff. If you can make it good, you can make anything good. Let's get it out of the pack and get it rubbed down. We're going to start out with a binder of a little MOJO beef. Got a little smokiness, got a little savoriness, some good stuff. And here we're going to use the MOJO GPS. Now this is a coarse salt, garlic, pepper, multiple peppers. And it's a little spicy. But I've got 100 or so bottles I may put on the website. Do a little special on it. Get your hands on it if you like hot. Rub that baby down with it. And that's all we're going to do for seasonings. So let's take her out here and get her on the smoker. So we're going to cook on the Outlaw today. Needle straight up at 300. Here's how simple it's going to be. Let's throw it on there. Get her straight, because you can't have cooking meat. Yep, right there. Good spot for it. Close her down and wait 2 hours. And this is what you got. Beautiful bark. Nice smokiness. Oh, by the way, we was using hickory. So let's get her in a half pan, and this is how I create recipes. Take you a stick of butter, or almost stick of butter, because you didn't want to have to go back in the kitchen. Stick it in there and with about 2 cups of beef broth. Now we're going to use a little Dale's steak marinade here. Low sodium because we're watching our health. And get us some shallots. Why shallots? Because they're not as strong as onions, and I'm not a big fan of onions. Get you this little baby mandolin that you picked up at the store because you thought it was cute. Slice you up about 3 ounces of those babies. Why 3 ounces? Because they come 3 ounces in a box. Or a box of 3 anyway. Now we've got us some, 5-8 cloves of garlic. Let's get them things mandolin up. Be careful. Don't cut off your fingertip. Use that little accessory that comes with it. Throw that around the edge with those onions. Nope, shallots. So here we are. We're going to put in about 4 tablespoons of diced jalapenos with the juice. And then as many banana peppers as your little heart desires. This is going to be like a vegetarian meat sandwich. Alrighty, let's cover her up. We're going to stick her back out on the Outlaw for another 2 hours. Oh, I almost forgot. With about 30 minutes to go, we're going to get us a box of these baby Bella mushrooms. Dump them in there. And that's it. We're done. Looks pretty good from here. Let's get her out. I want to show you just how tender it is. Look, it fell apart. We're going to get our thermopin out, and we're going to poke around on it for a little while. Just show you it just falls right down in there. And if you're looking for a temperature, 209 or 210, it's even better. That's it. Get you a couple forks. Shred that stuff up. And let's build us a sandwich. Alrighty, quit playing around, son. Let's go. Alrighty, get you a big old loaf of French bread, and let's alternate this little pepper jack, a little smoked Gouda, you get it, one and then the other, and throw down those vegetables, all the bottom, get about half of them, get them on that cheese, get that cheese to melting, and then pile on all 2.5 pounds of that good looking beef. Man, that looks good. Smoke green to the ceiling. Alrighty, finish piling up them vegetables on top. Then get your favorite barbecue sauce that goes good with beef. Mine just happens to be this House of Barbecue hot and spicy. Dump all you want, as little as you want. And since we're going vegetarian, get the best vegetable of all. That's a pickle. And you don't have to tell me that vegetable's not a pickle. Just keep it to you anyway. Holler out a little piece, some of this bread on here. That way your meat to bread ratio is correct. And there you go. There's a reveal shot. Just straight up meat awesomeness. Let's give this meat a try by itself. And let me tell you, just for making up a recipe, this right here is legit. So we got to see if it's worthy to be called the Messy MOJO. Let's see if I can unhinge my jaws here and get it around it. I think I possibly can. There we go. Let me go ahead and tell you, if you don't try this recipe, yeah, she's messy. There's something wrong. Because this right here, like I said, for an experimental cook, this is amazing. So just try it. If you've stuck around this long to see this, go ahead and try to give me maybe a thumbs up or double tap that thumbs down, however you want to do it. And that's it. Mojo is out.